Hello folks, I ordered a knife by Smith & Wesson. Well, it says Smith & Wesson on it. And it came today. We're gonna check it out. Alright. That's the model number. Right there. We're gonna see what this looks like. This is my Kershaw. This is called the Kershaw Fault Line. It's got a nice rubbery composite grip on the side. It's got the deep pocket clip on it. It's got the quick release. The other Kershaw I had was spring assisted. This one is ball bearing. So I guess give you a little blurb on that. But let's see what this is like. So it's pretty bigger in size, especially compared to my Kershaw. So it might be a little heavier. It's got the glass break tip on it, so you can break glass with it, or if maybe you can't get your knife open in time and you need a blunt object or something, it fits right in your hand like that. It'd be good for like a hammer punch strike or something. This is a safety switch, so it looks like same as a firearm. And there's two releases on this knife. I do like it though, nice and big, M&P. But there's a release here. That is very cool. I like how that opens. Same release as my Kershaw. Got the thumb release. There. Takes quite a bit to push it back down. So, here's another release. Right there. I don't know if I should oil it or not, or maybe just leave it. But you can see right here, it's got a lot of tension on it, which is probably good. So you got to make sure it's locked, and then you put your safety on before you put it in your pocket. But I sure like that feel. I mean, that thing is right there for you. Pretty sharp too. Comes pretty sharp. Same with the tip. Yeah, wow. That is one heavy duty dude. I think I'm gonna like this for my everyday carry. Maybe keep my Kershaw on me for a backup or something. I do like that as well. But so again, Smith & Wesson M&P. They do come with serrated along here. I'm not a big fan of the serrated. I just like a smooth blade. But again, this has got a pretty good grip on it. Hold it tight, put your thumb here, do what you gotta do. But that's about all I got. So God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.